Here is the gaming headset I wanted to tell you more about. We already have it hooked up to our Xbox One. It is compatible with several different gaming platforms. There is a controller for the volume of the headset, go up or down, and you can also go on and off to mute it if you want to do that as well. You also have the noise canceling microphone there, so your voice comes through loud and clear. You can adjust it up and down, back and forth for your convenience. And there's a neat LED light at the end. And on the side, you have 7 automatically converted LED lights to create an awesome gaming atmosphere. And you'll cycle through those as you play. You can also adjust it to fit your head comfortably there on both sides. And there's also a cushion on the top for created added comfort and around the ears. So you can game for hours. So this is a great headset. I hope I was helpful, and thanks again for watching.